My name is Mohammad Munsur Rohan, and I'm the team coordinator for coding crew for this project A1.
I'm Andrew Kennedy. I was responsible for the YouTube video.
Hayden Kowalchuk. I was responsible for helping out programming and then also scheduling and planning.
I'm Agyiri, and I was responsible for combining the report into one.
My name is Ping, and my assigned task is about create Slack and GitHub account and answering the teamwork basic questions.
Okay. And I would say the main thing that I took away from this project was the basics of ARM assembly language and how it works with the Raspberry Pi devices and how basic Unix structure levels would help, create assembly language scripts and everything.
Yeah, I think the biggest thing I learned was how Slack worked, because that was very confusing for
That was tough.
That was
to
tough.
set up
about a
and get
day or
everything.
two.
Especially logging in and out of
Yeah.
different accounts. Yeah.
I would say what I learned the most was just how to work creatively, kind of collaboratively with a group of 5 people who all lead very different lives. We're not all on campus at the same time, and just managing that while also working toward a goal.
What I learned was how to bring everybody as a group and work the document and have everybody what to put on there, and also give everybody the direction without seeing them face to face, so communicating through electronically.
What I've learned from this assignment is using GitHub and how to upload local files to GitHub through SSH.
Yeah, it's important.
Yeah. And the most constructive experience that I took away from this project was working in a team of 5 with very different schedules. That is a very real world experience, so I believe I can take away that into my career and use that strength of teamwork to be able to do the project to the best of my ability.
Yeah, it's probably the biggest thing to take away from this project. It's also like in the real world, when you get put on different projects all the time, you have to meet new people and kind of slot in with a group immediately.
Exactly.
It's a good thing to take away from this, because this is, we didn't know each other before
Yeah, not at all.
last week,
Yeah.
so yeah, that's definitely an important skill that can be taken down the road.
For me, I think the number one takeaway was just seeing how other people work compared to how I work, and just making sure that we can all do our separate things, even if they're dependent on each other, and work just together really well, which I think we did. The GitHub, even from the first day that it was made,
Right.
we had commits from everybody and branches, we had merges, and then the Slack, which was created, that was a huge help in just organizing all of us together.
Yeah, I really appreciate the effort that all of us put forth, because it was a very confusing experience trying to figure out how to make the Slack to GitHub and how to run the Raspberry Pi for the first time. So props to the team.
Yeah.
So what I took from this was that if we needed help, we should just ask instead of trying to do this on our own and just mess up the whole GitHub thing, because with one mistake we could mess up the whole thing. So when you got stuck, reaching out to your teammate was one of the most important things in here. So communicating, telling them you're stuck, and then them helping you instead of you just sitting there doing nothing. So I think I learned a lot to just ask for help whenever I needed it instead of just doing my own thing.
Yeah, and even that one night, you posted on Slack about a power issue with your Pi,
Yeah.
and while I was out doing my own, I was able to help you and
So it
remedy
was,
that.
yeah.
It was great.
For me, I believe that I can apply my experience of learning completely new things to learning other things, such as software or assistance tools.